Hi everybody, Lois Threlkeld. I have Cindy here.
Hello, everyone.
And you may or may not be familiar with the real estate investment strategy she uses, which is notes. Notes. So she's going to tell us a little bit about that. Cindy!
Hi. So I am a note investor, and I buy both performing and non-performing, but my favorite is non-performing notes. So basically, I buy the debt, your mortgage, and hopefully you pay every month, but you're paying me instead of your bank, or I become your bank. So those of you that are out there doing subject to credit financing, seller financing, you're kind of getting yourself into the note space as well. And if you do it the right way, those notes can be sold maybe to somebody like me. So I buy those notes. So it's a very, very lucrative business. I love it. Sometimes it could be a little challenging. You have to know what you're doing in the note space. But it's very good, and many people don't really realize it's like about 80% of the mortgages out there, after you make your first payment, your mortgage is sold. Sometimes it's sold before you even make your first payment. So that's kind of what I do. I'm on the banking side, or real estate without the real estate, I guess. So I have some other things that I also do. I also have a nonprofit that's been approved by the Attorney General as an eligible bidder. And with my nonprofit, I can go in with and purchase properties that have gone through auction, and I can go in, and if I have the higher amount bid, even $1 more, I can trump the original bid that was made on those. So I like to work with wholesalers, realtors, as well as house flippers. So if you're interested in that, that's another way to kind of I don't want the real estate. I just want to help other people get the real estate and help those with affordable housing. And then what else do? I do insurance. So I help real estate investors get insurance on their investments. So not homeowners or anything like that, or your auto insurance. Is strictly on your real estate investment portfolio. I can help you get insurance on that. And then I also have a hard money loan program for a veteran business in Toledo, Ohio. And this gentleman, the only questions that I ask is basically what are you using it for? How much is the purchase price? How much are the renovations? And what is the after repair value? I've done several of these loans, and if you're interested in funding one of these loans in Toledo, Ohio, let me know. We do pay 12%, and it's a way to keep your money working, and they're short money. They usually go between 6 and 8 months. So let me know if anybody's interested in that. All right. That's it, Lois.
All right, Cindy, thank you.
Me in a nutshell.
Yes, we love you in a nutshell. So how would people get a hold of you if they're interested?
You can always email me at cindy@cjcpropertysolutions.com, or give me a call, 805-433-5513.
All right. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, Lois.
Lois Threlkeld, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Yes. See you soon. Happy investing. Yes. Share this, make a comment, and feel free to like it.
Yeah, like it a lot.
Like it a lot. Happy investing. Bye now.